Hey, what's up guys? Ali from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So can you really monetize YouTube videos and YouTube channel without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers? The answer is yes. And there are two very specific ways that I use to monetize my YouTube channel, even though I do not have 4,000 watch time hours right now. I do have over 1,000 subscribers, but I don't have over 4,000 hours right now. So that's what this video is about. I'm gonna show you or give you some ideas, and I'll show you specifically two ways I monetize my content on YouTube and this channel, and maybe you can use that for your business. Now, before we jump into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get a notification of all of my future videos on this channel. All right, let's go, let's do this. So the first thing I want to show you, let me actually go to my videos and I'll go to this most recent video. And then if you scroll down, so here are some examples. So the first method that I use to monetize is affiliate marketing. So I am an affiliate for several different products. So here is Skillshare. I create online courses on Skillshare, and also I'm one of their affiliate partners. So whenever people sign up using this link, they get 2 months free of Skillshare classes, and I get some revenue. And then in addition to that, there are several different tools that I use in my business. I use a specific app called Flume app to run Instagram on my Mac computer, and then I am an affiliate for that product. Let me open that. So here is that app, flumeapp.com, and once you download, you can use Instagram from your MacBook. You can upload images, you can upload videos, you can repost content from other accounts. So super cool. So I'm also affiliate for other products like social media tools, and then also social media management, different systems or different tools. So that's the first method that I use to monetize my YouTube channel. And I want to quickly show you, for example, for Flume app, if I go to my Gmail and I just I made a sale today. Wow. And then you see I've made sales. And it depends on, to answer the question of how much do you or can you make, it really depends on what type of product you become an affiliate for. What I would suggest is look at your business, and then maybe there are tools or apps that you use today that you really like, and you can become an affiliate for those tools and then promote those tools inside your videos. And in my case, I add the links in the description of all of my YouTube videos, and when people click and sign up or buy these tools, I make some money. All right, so that was number one. Number two is, it's called sponsored content. So this is where a brand reaches out to you and they pay you some money in return of a review of their tool or maybe some sort of content. So let me go to this video. So here's the video I created a couple of weeks ago, and the video is about a content curation tool called elink.io. There you go. So I actually use this tool a lot. This is the tool that I use to create or curate content for my social media, and also we curate content using this tool for email newsletters. So super useful tool. Now what happened was they reached out to me and they offered, let me go back, and so they reached out to me in October and they offered $50 Amazon gift card. So here you go, in return of creating, in exchange for a video review of their product. So that's the second way that you can use to monetize your YouTube channel if you do not have 4,000 watch time hours or 1,000 subscribers. So look at different tools. And again, what I would do is look at the tools that you're already using in your business, maybe for your website, your social media, video creation, content curation, maybe for emails, or maybe you have lead generation tools for B2C or B2B, depending on the type of business you have. And then reach out to those tools and tell them, hey, I'm creating content on my YouTube and I would love to feature you, or I would love to create some sponsored content for you. And then once they show some interest, you can work out a deal with them. In this case, I got $50 Amazon gift card, but you can also get other perks. So maybe you get free lifetime access to the paid tool, or other things that you can negotiate with them. So these are the two ways that I use to monetize my YouTube account. Number one was the affiliate marketing, and then number two was sponsored content for different brands. And you don't have to wait for a brand to reach out to you. If you use a specific tool, or if you like specific brands, you can reach out to them. Just go to their website, fill out the form, or maybe find them on other social media channels like Instagram and Twitter, and then reach out to them and tell them, hey, I'm interested in creating content. And as you can see, I use several different affiliate links inside my description of these YouTube videos. Another method, kind of like a bonus, is the Amazon. So you can also become an Amazon affiliate or Amazon influencer and then create a shop. Right now, I'm not doing a lot there. I will probably put some more products and drive traffic here, but here's another way that you can drive traffic from YouTube and make some money without the 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. So 2 ways that I use to monetize my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below if you like these type of videos. These will give you some ideas that you can use if you haven't gotten to 1K and 4K thresholds. Maybe you can use some of these ideas to monetize your content creation on YouTube. Now, before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the future videos. Bye.